we're kind of on the backdrop. Nobody really will see us from the consumer side. We're there supporting our customers. Anything that has optics, we've probably touched or our machines have touched. So it's really rewarding to go out in the world and be able to look at different product and say, oh yeah, that was made on our machine.
Nanotech is a designer and builder of ultra-precision machining systems, mainly used in the optics industry.
All these customers require absolutely world-class surface finish and form accuracy.
We're a global company. We have close to 1,000 machines installed all over the world.
We use a diamond as a tool, not a drill bit or a saw blade, but an actual chip of diamond. And that's necessary for the absolute accuracy of what that diamond is taking off.
Our machines are more accurate than any known metrology. With an average diameter of an atom that's 0.1 nanometer, we're programming 0.01 nanometer. People outside the optics industry have never heard of this equipment. They don't even know this technology exists. We all come from an engineering background. We have engineering degrees, so we're not just sales individuals, we're actually technical sales and support. So people see that right off, they see the difference.
You have an assembly hall, a large open area that we build in. We are inherently together in what is essentially one large room. And so the culture matters. I don't know if I've ever seen it matter as sharply as it does here, and that's to our benefit. It's a good thing. You have to be methodical and very careful, and so it invites a certain kind of quiet, careful, introspective kind of an employee. So I think we all get along because we all share that same approach to the work that we're doing.
Everyone is always really proactive in taking that extra step to help out, to jump in where is needed. I've never heard, that's not my job. It's always been everybody helping each other to get to that end goal.
Nanotech has 7 main products.
The 250 machine that I build, it's got 250 millimeters that it can possibly cut on a part. There's no mechanical interaction. There's no metal touching metal anywhere. They float on a pillow of oil, pressurized oil, which gives them a very smooth and very repeatable motion. It makes for a very precise machine.
We've also been monitoring the roadmaps of our key customers and realized that we need to take the 250 to the next level. And for that reason, we've done a ground-up redesign of that machine, incorporating everything that we've ever learned over the last 20 years. There's nothing in that machine that hasn't been touched, enhanced. It's still true to its heritage, the 250 UPL, but it just takes the capability to the next level.
The 450 is the little bit larger platform, what we call a medium-sized machine. And that machine can swing larger parts, hold a little bit more tools, but you're still gonna get the same level of accuracy on the 450 that you do on the 250.
So the 650 FG, it's Nanotech's true flagship machine.
And that's because it's a 6-axis machine. X, Y, Z, B, C, and A.
What we say at Nanotech is, if you can't make it on a 650, then the chances are you can't manufacture it anywhere else.
All the engineering and design that has gone into these machines, it all adds up together to produce this kind of accuracy, which is not easily achieved by companies without the decades of experience in this area.
Whether it's our handheld device, the dash in our automobile, the controls for aircraft, spacecraft, and all of these screens require brightness enhancement films, films that filter excess or extraneous light from other sources. These films are vitally important, and they're all produced on drums. These drums have to faithfully reproduce a complex and high-precision optical pattern into the film. The Nanotech 2600 HDL is used to create those patterns. The 170 GPM is dedicated to molding glass. More and more interest in glass optics, mass-produced glass optics, which means instead of grinding and polishing, molding glass. And so we're right there to intercept that trend as well. And finally, NanoCam 4, the computer-aided manufacturing programming tool, that greatly enhances the utilization of all the products. Very broad product portfolio, diamond turning, precision grinding, and ultra-precision milling as well.
We're in many markets. We're in certainly aerospace and defense, consumer electronics, medical, automotive, AR, VR. We never assume that we're the best machine available. We're always driven by a roadmap, a 5-year roadmap. So we look at where the machines are today and where should they be a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now.
It's not enough just to deliver a great product. We really have to understand the applications that our customers are working on. We have to support them with outstanding application support. To back that up, we're also positioning spare parts around the world as well, so that we can get parts to our customers within 24 hours. Very exciting companies that we get to work with day in and day out. We get to see their roadmap, get to see where they're taking things. That allows us to continue to innovate with our products. If you're not innovating, if you're not providing new products to the market, you're just not going to succeed and grow.
It's really exciting to see the direction that we're moving in. It's things that I would have never imagined. But as the technology is required in the industry, as product is being commercialized, we're right there with it. We're listening to the customers, we're watching the industries, and we're making sure that everything we do addresses those needs. We're really fortunate to be in this spot. I'm really fortunate to be here with Nanotech, to be able to be a part of it, and I can't see myself in any other place.